The class is the MSc final and the topic is the TI plasmid. Agrobacterium tumefaciens induces tumor called ground gall when an Agrobacterium rhizogenesis causes hairy root disease. Large plasmid in these Agrobacterium are called tumor inducing plasmid, TI plasmid. Ground gall disease caused by a Agrobacterium tumefaciens is characterized by unlimited plant cells proliferation, that is called the gall formation. Naturally transformed ground gall tumor tissue differs from non-transformed tissue in its ability to grow autonomously on synthetic media in the absence of hormones, that is auxin and cytokinase. The plant cell in the tumor acquire two new properties. First, they show phytohormones independent growth, and second is they contain one or more of unusual amino acid derivatives known as opines. Opine synthesis is a unique characteristic of tumor cells. Normal plant tissue do not usually produce these compounds. The ability to produce these opines was specified by the transformed bacterial DNA and not by the host plant genome. The opines are useful to the bacterium since they serve as a source of carbon and nitrogen. Organization of the TI plasmid. The TI plasmid Agrobacterium are large circular DNA molecules up to 200 kb in length with molecular weight of about 1.2 cross 10 raised to power 8 of the Agrobacterium chromosomes. TI plasmid have major reason for virulence, origin of replication, conjugation, oncogenicity and catabolism of opines. Genetic organization of these regions has been shown in octopine TI plasmid DNA. This is the circular TI plasmid which has one oncogene region, and oncogene region may first is it is the left border and it is the right border, and after that left border there is the auxin production part, and after the right border the opine synthesis are present and then cytokinin production, and the left side the virulent genes region is present, and the bottom side there is the replicator and the opine production. Genetic map of an octopine TI plasmid. The tDNA is the transfer DNA or transformic DNA of TI plasmid. The nopeline type TI plasmid has a single 23 kb tDNA region, whereas the octopine type TI plasmid has two closely adjoining regions of beta kb left hand piece and 8 kb right hand piece. An opine synthesized region is responsible for the synthesis of unusual amino acids or sugar derivatives which are collectively given the name opines. Opine synthesis is controlled by enzyme octopine synthetase and nopeline synthetase at loci called OCS and NOS on octopine and nopeline plasmid respectively. The third component of tDNA region on all TI and RI plasmid is a 25 base pair highly conserved directly repeated tDNA sequences that flanks and delimits the tDNA. These sequences act as border and are referred to as left and right borders. These borders play an important role in the transfer process.